Hello, web builders. Do you know that from your Gutenberg editor you can generate AI content for rich text and input fields? Essential Blocks gives you the superpower to do that. Let's see how. Before we begin, make sure Essential Blocks is installed and activated on your WordPress site. First, you need to enable the AI Powerhouse for Gutenberg editor. For that, go to the Essential Blocks dashboard, then AI Suite tab. Choose Post Types from the drop-down menu and select which post types you want to enable AI writing, whether it's posts, pages, or any custom post types. You need the OpenAI Premium version to get AI content support for rich text input fields through Gutenberg Editor. Let's see how to retrieve them. Go to your OpenAI profile and then navigate to the API keys settings. Then click on the Create New Secret key. Enter your name and project type, then click on Create Secret Key. A new secret key will be created, copy it. Go back to the WordPress dashboard, paste the copied key in the API key box. By default, the token limit is 1,500. You can customize it according to your needs. Once done with configuring, click on the Save Changes button. You are all set now to generate AI content in rich text in Gutenberg Editor. Open a page in the editor. Select the text where you want to generate AI content. The Gutenberg sidebar will open on the right. If it is a text block from Essential Blocks, you'll notice a sparkle icon beside the text field. Just click on that. AI content generation pop-up will appear. You can type your own prompt or pick one from the suggested list. Choose how long you want the content to be and set the tone that fits your style. Then click on the Generate Now button. In moments, your AI content will be generated. You can keep it or generate it again. Not only for Essential Blocks content blocks, but you will also get AI content generation support for all the blocks with rich text input fields. Let's show you how. Add the default heading block, and you'll see that same sparkle icon appear on the quick suggestion bar. Click on it, and just like before, and the AI content generator pop-up will appear. Choose from the prompt suggestions or write your own, set the length and tone, then click Generate Now. The AI will instantly create your content. You can keep it or regenerate it. You can also moderate the existing content with AI, whether it's a feature section, bullet list, or any text area. Simply click the text block, add your prompt, pick your preferred length and tone, and let the AI do the rest. Save to make sure your freshly created AI content stays on your website. Let's have a look at the website to see how it turned out with AI-generated content. This is how easy it is to generate content with AI for your WordPress website using Essential Blocks. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.